Oh, what's this? Tornado warning? Where's this at? Oh, that's for Ogle and Winnebago County.
And Winnebago.
They're about to air it. They better.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Yep.
Hey!
They did it this time. I'm so proud of you.
In Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, southwestern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Forreston, or 8 miles northwest of Mount Morris, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. The storm has a history of producing funnel clouds. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Pecatonic around 8:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Winnebago.
They killed so much faster.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The following is a flash.